Hey guys, so this is update what I'm doing with the blog post. So I have currently completed the blog post. It's like 42. It will be 42 points. So I divided them into 4 pages. I added videos, guides, and so on, as I mentioned in the last post. And now I'm doing the keyword research. And actually, when I searched for Shopify SEO checklist, which was recommended by related keywords, actually I'm already on a third page of Google for this post, although I have only published it yesterday, which was crazy, and I haven't even started optimizing it. So that is an amazing result. So definitely I will add this keyword because it will be super easy for me to jump to first page for this one. Obviously, optimize my article for this keyword and find other related keywords, and will optimize the text with those keywords. And I'll show you how it is done.